Is Pangaia the best brand for comfy tracksuits? Let's find out. So I've been wanting to try this brand for a long time now. They're called Pangaia, and it's a sustainable, environmentally friendly clothing brand. Their mission is to help reduce all the waste from clothes and all the environmental issues going on when you make clothes. Obviously there's a big factor, isn't there? I wanted to try them, right, because I saw them in Selfridges a couple of weeks ago and I felt the material was such a nice quality material, felt really soft. And I've been in the market for a nice comfy tracksuit for a while. I want to see if these are the best tracksuits maybe. They're a little bit pricey, they are a bit more expensive. So I think the bog standard 365 sweater and joggers combined are like 200 quid for both, which is expensive for a tracksuit, but let's see if it is the best fitting, the best comfiest tracksuit you can find. Obviously it's got the environmental friendly factors in it as well, which really helps sustainability, which is really nice. But anyway guys, let's get straight into it. If you do enjoy these sorts of videos, don't forget to drop them a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already, and I'll link all the tracksuits in the description so you can go and have a look down there. Let's get into it. So I ended up getting 3 full tracksuits in the end. We got a couple of sweaters, a hoodie, and then 3 pairs of joggers, all different colours, and we actually got a different style or a different type. I think there's a signature and then a normal one. So the signature one is a little bit more expensive. This is the one we've got here. I thought I'd show you the packaging and stuff like that. So all the packaging they use, I think you can compost it, which obviously means it's degradable, biodegradable, is that the word? I'm not really massively clued up on like sustainability and stuff, so I do need to look into that more. But yeah, so this is the packaging it comes in. Really nice, to be fair. Just look like seem really high quality stuff. We've got like a stone hoodie. This is the signature one. Like I said, I think they're £125. I'll put the price on the screen for you anyway. So the swing tag is made from 100% recycled paper. So everything is like fully recycled, which is really nice touch. But yeah, let's see what the fit and the quality of the clothes are like. It does feel nice quality. It's a little bit thin, but let's see. That's the hoodie, and we've got the joggers in here. It's a bit more of like a relaxed fit tracksuit. Over Christmas, Laura, right, she always has like these really nice comfy tracksuit sets. So I thought, do you know what? I want to get one of them. But she has them from like girl brands, you know what I mean? Like SLA The Label by like Sarah Ashcroft, people like that. They have really nice tracksuits, so maybe I'm going to try and bring one out for Sulfit Clothing, like a nice comfy sweater, hoodie tracksuit, hoodie tracksuit. I'll definitely have to bring one out. But yeah, a bit more of a relaxed fit. Let's see what they look like on. So, extra large in the hoodie, large in the bottoms. The quality is very ideal, to be honest. It's a really nice, soft, not too thick, very good fabric. It's got the kangaroo pouch there. I do like this colour as well. So on the hoodie, it just basically says that it's like made from recycled and environmentally friendly cotton. So it doesn't have any branding at all. That is like the branding. So it doesn't say Pangaia anywhere. It's a nice fit. Like I said, it's like a comfy, relaxed fit tracksuit. The joggers are quite nice. Like again, the same material as the hoodie, but I'd say they are, I don't know, the bottom of them is a little bit too genie pant for me, a little bit too relaxed. I really like the fit around the upper leg, the waist. Maybe they could just be, I know they're supposed to be relaxed, but do you know what I mean? Just around the cuff, maybe just a little bit less fabric there. That is just my personal opinion. Overall, a really nice tracksuit, very pricey, so just bear that in mind. I think this tracksuit was over £200 for a tracksuit. Is it worth the price? Obviously it's helping the environment, it's very sustainable, which is a massive plus, but if the fit isn't good and you're not going to wear it, then there's no point spending the money on it, is it? You may as well just not have a tracksuit. So next up we've got the black sweater tracksuit. So this is just the normal 365 sweater, and we've got the 365 black joggers. Again, very similar fit to the signature. I'd say the material is maybe not as soft, so the signature is a little bit more expensive. I think that's maybe because the quality is a little bit better. But yeah, overall, it's very, very similar to the Signature. The joggers are the exact same fit. I'm wearing a size large in the joggers. They fit me really nice. Like if you want a bit more of a relaxed tracksuit, then this could be the one for you. Just obviously bear in mind it's expensive. It's not cheap stuff. As well, I did realise that they do have a bit of branding for Pangaia. So on the joggers, you can see it. Like just there it says Pangaia. And then on the sweater somewhere around the back it says Pangaia as well. I think on like one of the lats or something underneath. It's very, very minimal. Where is it? I don't know where it's fucking gone. See, if you can't even find it, it's pretty minimal, isn't it? But yeah, again, it does just have the recycled little sentence there. I do like it, don't get me wrong. Oh, watch that bloody shoe rack, Josh. Yeah, I do like it, don't get me wrong. And obviously, being sustainable is a massive thing these days. We don't want to fuck the planet up even more, do we? So it is good to shop sustainably. But is it still worth the price? I know there's other sustainable brands out there that aren't as expensive as Pangaia. So yeah, it's just flip of the coin. Do you think this brand is worth the price? Are these the best tracksuits, the best comfy tracksuits? So far, I'd probably say no, they're not. They're not the best tracksuits I've ever tried on. There's definitely other ones out there. I know Nike are the biggest company, probably one of the biggest athleisure companies in the world. Their tracksuits are massive, but are they making it sustainably? Probably not. It's weighing it up, isn't it? So the last tracksuit we've got is in navy, and this is a Signature one again, so it's the higher quality material. I feel like on the navy one you can tell more of a difference. Like there's a big, compared to the black one, this is really nice quality, like much better quality, softer, a little bit thicker. And I feel like the sweater's a bit more oversized as well, which I kind of quite like, to be honest. A really nice material. This material is class, like top class. It feels so nice. You know when you touch and you're like, feels nice on the skin. Sound a bit weird, don't I? But you know what I mean. Yeah, this is a nice tracksuit. It's on the joggers. I actually decided to go for a medium as well. All the others have been a large. Medium is a little bit tighter around the glutes. That's because I've just got bigger hips, but yeah, maybe I could get away with a medium in the joggers. Just depends how relaxed you kind of want them to be. But like I said before, I prefer them around the calf and the ankle a little bit more tapered, just a little bit more tapered. That is just my personal opinion. I do really like this one. This is probably my favourite out of the bunch. Just especially the sweater. The sweater is such a nice quality. So to compare, this is a sustainable sample sweater that I've got for Sulfit. It's a little bit thinner, don't get me wrong, but obviously the quality is still very similar, you know, like more or less the same. I'd be selling these for £40, whereas the sweaters on Pangaia, what, 110? It's like less than half, do you know what I mean? I know obviously it's a big brand, it's branding, it's the price, but just doesn't always mean that you have to spend the money in order to get the same quality. A lot of these designer higher end brands only have those prices because of the brand name, the reputation, and the sort of price market they're going after. It's a different sort of market, isn't it? But the quality doesn't always necessarily change just because the price has gone massively higher up. These will just be making so much money, so they'll be producing a sweater for the same price as me, just putting a huge zero on the end of it. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know on this. Let me know what you think of this sample sweater. Maybe we'll be bringing out these soon as well. Don't forget to go and check out the Sulfit Clothing winter sale. We've got the Infinity Joggers, which I've been wearing all over Christmas, so an absolute beauty. The best black joggers you're going to get for in the gym. And we're also restocking the V2 Aura joggers finally. But honestly, they're coming soon. They've docked at the port. It's just been a bit of a nightmare trying to get them over from China. So hopefully they'll be on the website very soon. Keep an eye out for that. But yeah, go and check out the Infinity joggers. Right, to wrap up Pangaia, I'm going to be honest and say I don't think it's worth the price. Even though it is sustainable, really helps the environment, I just don't think it's worth 120, 130 quid for a sweater, hoodie, 100 quid for the joggers. I think you can get better other ones out there. That's just my personal opinion. I do really like the quality of the Signature navy sweater I tried on last. was unreal, like really nice. But I just think there's other brands out there, so I'll do some videos for some other brands, the best quality, the best comfiest tracksuits. If you do want to check out Pangaia, I'll link all the stuff in the description like I said before. But that is it from me today, guys. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.